The Ministry of Home Affairs has asked West Bengal Governor Jagdeep Dhankar to send a report on the law and order situation in the state. The Ministry of Home Affairs has further deputed a 4-member team led by an additional secretary-level official including a Central Reserve Police Force CRPF official to assess the ground situation in the state amid the post-poll violence reported from West Bengal. The 4-member team including Additional Secretary Home Ministry Govind Mohan, Additional Secretary Education Ministry Vinit Joshi, Joint Director of Intelligence Bureau Janardhan Singh and IB Central Reserve Police Force CRPF IB Nalin has arrived in Kolkata to assess the ground situation. On Wednesday, Union Home Secretary Ajay Bhalla wrote to the West Bengal Chief Secretary reminding him of the letter written on 3rd of May to check the post-poll violence and also to provide a report on the incidents. Violence has been reported in several parts of West Bengal after the results of the assembly elections were declared on 2nd of May. Bharatiya Janata Party BJP alleged that 9 of its party workers have been killed in the post-poll violence. However, the Trinamool Congress is denying the allegations. On the other, the BJP central leadership has summoned Tathagata Roy to Delhi over the Nagar Nati controversy. He tweeted this Thursday morning, "I have been asked by the top leadership of the party to come to Delhi as soon as possible," Tathagata wrote in his tweet. One explosive remark after one other, which appeared to haven't any hope of stopping. On this state of affairs, the BJP's infighting was coming to the fore. In addition to a bit of celebration, additionally commented that his remarks have been ugly. After that, Tathagata Roy's verdict was referred to as and dispatched to Delhi. Bureau Report, Halabur.